Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we have some brilliant stars and evolving skies. As you can see, two of my favorite. So just a comparison, there's evolving skies and then there's brilliant stars. Okay, so two very good sets in my opinion. In case you didn't know, this is the newer set, as you can see. So 2022, and then here's like the older set. Like, I'm not saying that this is the oldest set, but this is newer than this, because this Brilliant Stars is 2022 and this is 2021. Okay, so we're gonna start with evolving skies, and well, they're the only two sets we have in today's video, but we're gonna finish with we're gonna finish with brilliant sets. Sorry I didn't post yesterday. It's just because I didn't have time, but we will be uploading 2 YouTube videos today. So yeah. If I can open this pack and we don't have to keep it sealed. It's way harder to open the older sets in my opinion than the new set Brilliant Stars, but and the luck, because sometimes we get some terrible luck and sometimes we get great luck. Okay, so there's the code cards. Okay, just in case you didn't know, we do 4 to the back, an energy, tentacruel, okay, a drowsy, scraggy, Feebas, Hitmonchan, Chinchou, reverse and a Sharpedo, Vader. For a second I thought that wasn't the bear, but don't worry, we still do have Brilliant Stars to save the day. So, well, might save the day, because we never know what we might get. Because in last time's video, I'm not gonna spoil anything else. We're just gonna say last time's video, we opened Brilliant Stars. Well, last opening, which was Wednesday. Okay, I looked at the code card bar in action. Oh, there's the code cards. Okay. Okay, so we have an energy, Hunting Glows, Vibrava, Jinx, Farfetch'd, Execute, Grimer, Clefairy, Sneasel, Reverse and Manaphy. Is that a rare? I'm pretty sure that, yeah, that's a rare. In case you didn't know. Please, if not last pack magic. Or maybe this pack magic. Some packs are very hard to open. And then I'm just gonna have to do it the old fashioned way. Or the old days where I used to do. It just takes a way longer time. Okay, so there's a code card. There. Okay, do you know what? We're just gonna go straight to this one. Do you know what? Let's just gonna go straight to. Okay, make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Go lurk. Go lurk. Oh, in case you didn't see this, I'm pretty sure you didn't. And please. Okay, it's a hollow. We will take a hollow. And then there's our other cards. Okay, 3 more packs left. Come on, Arceus. Hopefully you can save the day for us. Please, can you do this, Arceus? I was about to look at the code card because I was facing Arceus this way. I'm gonna go straight through this one as well. Golurk, Chimchar, Mencino. Okay, we have a trainer gallery card, which is Gloria, and ooh. Okay, we have a Gloria. Okay, we have a Gloria. And oh, V-Star marker. Wait. Oh no, never mind. This was just a rare. At least we got a trainer gallery. And there's the code card. For a second, I thought we weren't going to get anything. Just grabbing my sleeves. Okay. Let's sleeve this up. Okay, so hopefully I can sleeve this up. Okay, I got it sleeved. Okay, looks like Arceus saved the day, but don't worry, we still have 2 Charizard packs. Don't know why I just keep all the Charizard packs for last, but might be special. Just in case I didn't show you this code card, there's the code card. You're covering the code cards. Okay. I looked at the code card by accident, but there's a code card. Okay. I didn't do the card trick, and and just in case you didn't know. Anyways, a Halucha, Tro. We actually do get a rare reverse. And, okay, a Heat Train. We got a Sharon's Carrier. And that, and a Kindler. Okay. Okay, so far, 1 hit out of 5 packs, and 1 more. No, yeah, okay. Just wait 1 second. sorry about that, guys. Okay, so last booster pack of the video. Did not look at the code card. There is the code card. A water energy. Prin Pluck. Cincino. I thought that was a rare for a second. Clean Sandals. Snow Root. Nose Pass. Idene. Cub Chew. Shinx. Okay, no trainer gallery. Just a Shroomish reverse, and we will be ending on a Druid Aegon. Okay, so just in case you wanted to see all the colors of the code cards, here they all are. That's the one where we got a hit, and yeah. Okay, as you can see, it says Evolving Skies there, in case you didn't know and you're just new, and it says Building Skies there. Anyways, I will see you. I'm just going to straighten these up. Okay. I'll see you in the next one, which is probably in like an hour or so. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.